Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to round 2. Okay, let's continue our change into welcome. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Okay, so we want to can we change this somehow? Target get transform position. That should be easy. But how can we change? Should we Okay, we have implemented this. Should we get rid of this part? Hmm. Hmm. That's fine. check that everything works. But I think there will be a serious changes to how I operate the system. Yeah. Huh? Why is my... Select... targetable. Transform target. If target transform. Oh. Turn target. Else turn. Oh. Good to me. Remove this. Ability fireball. Let's boost the power. Our gunners can hit the enemy. Hmm. Yeah, this ball. This is actually not very good, I think. It is. And yeah, and they lose the targets, right? Oh, the projectile. That's an interesting information. Get stuck. Don't get stuck. Projectile. So the only thing is, yes, it's only projectile. Oh. Oh. What if I say transform target transform? When we init, we will say this target transform. We will say target dot get transform. Okay. And then we will keep using this stuff. Actually work perfectly fine in this case. Okay, works. Done targeting. Done to use high target. I think we will have to reduce the targeting at some point, actually. Target priority. Full system UI to select target priority. Okay. Let's do the status effect for now. Effects. That's good. So let's say we have a sword slave. And this on target hit, direct damage. 3, 8, ability. Out. Apply buff. Poison. Apply poison. Mhm. Plus, this is doesn't matter. And time, say 30 seconds. Why not say that I have a default value of 30 seconds, so when we create new one, it's always this. Okay. So hmm. Hmm. So what will poison do? Hmm. I'm right now thinking maybe how should I approach status effects? What status effects will do? Because for a poison we have clear thing of DOT. Hmm. So at the very least we can just for now select like an enemy. Yeah. Ability manager. Character buffs. Here. Apply buff. That's the buff. Status. Here is status effect. So over here when we apply a status effect we want to apply some kind of effect to the character. For example, if we get blinded, less accuracy, stuff like this. How can we approach this? Oh my god. How can we approach this and what will be a better... Don't need this. Status effect. Poison, cooked, and let's check some games. Mhm. Mhm. So mhm. So the poison. Yeah, I'm just really confused. How can I approach the poison right? Poison can take partial amount of health. So for example, 20% or something like this. 20% every like 10 seconds. Maybe even higher. Okay. Actually, why not? Let's actually sit there for a few minutes and think about status effects we will be having in the game. That can be an interesting thing to do. So, stunned. That's pretty obvious. You don't move, don't attack. That makes sense. Blind. Let's say, we'll say, lose 90% of accuracy or something like this. Like, it can be even funny. It's like, you character miss 90% of their actions, of their targeted attacks, ranged attacks. So if a character is affected by blind, they will be constantly missing their attacks. Shocked. We can say something like better. Stunned. Stun. Oh, wait. We already have stun. Slow and fast is obvious. Move slower. Move faster. Move slower. Use abilities slower. Use abilities faster. This is pretty easy. Okay, let me see something. Where is here? Status effects. Shock stunt, slow test, bleed. Yes, this is okay. Then we can say something like definitely we will have something for resistances. For now, let's keep it simple. Let's shock stunt. Stunt. Yeah, for now, let's keep it like this. Let's finish this stuff, and then we can add more later. Okay. So, what can we do right now? We definitely need to do the status effects over here. We don't have DOTs either. Huh. Funny. It's implemented over here. Hello, Castle. I'm doing fine. As you can see, I'm working on a game. That's how I'm doing. Just talking to myself pretty much. Hmm. And how are you doing? Anything interesting? Anything new? Anything fascinating in your life? Hmm. Okay. So, how can we approach? We definitely need. You know what? Let's actually. Tower. Take buff. Take damage. Oh, there is actually. Yeah, there is definitely an issue with the fact that we still does not take into account the resistances and armor and stuff like this when we deal damage. So, how about we go over here and we say damage public enum damage type. Damage type. Physical. Fire. Fire. Ice. Huh? Magician. Which? Oh, I see. 2-star mage, prism mage. Galaxy. What the hell is Galaxy? Hmm. Okay. So if I do it, how we should do this? Like fire, ice, wind, almighty? We can just keep it simple pretty much. Hmm. So just I'm trying to think how can we like how should this be done? Like if how many damage types we will have? This is like probably the most important question right now to ask. If we will say, oh, there is this much, that will be fine. Almighty just ignores. Almighty just ignores everything, right? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Sure. Whatever. Public damage type. Damage type. Are you working on a big game project right now? Well, it's a tower defense game, so with how big it's already gotten, yeah, it is kinda big. Thank you. But seriously, do you have anything like you making on a game? Are you just listening to me ramble while playing a game? What, like anything? Let's talk about something. I'm trying to not go crazy while looking at all of this. This is gonna break this stuff here. Could have damage ability data. Ability data. Mm-hmm. Ability effect reach. Should I go? Wait, ability type. If it's a damage ability. Ability value. Mm-hmm. Черт. Optimal order. Value. On target hit. Wait. What if I do Wait. Actually, there is an idea. Apply direct damage here. Direct damage. Take. What's my damage? Calculate damage for ability. And here is our ability data. But yes. Actually, I start to see it. I can say that we will have serialized field damage type over here. Damage type. Direct attack ability procs. And calculate damage for ability. Over here. Calculate power. Here we just simply calculate the power for an ability. Yes, exactly. Direct attack. Integer power. We get the caster that calculate power. Then we will say ability. Then we will say damage equals new damage power damage type. And this is how we will do it. Hell, we can do even funnier. To not redo it every time, we will just do this. And this will create damage for us. And this way, we can say, hey, this, what is going on? Debug.log error deprecated system. Damage type physical. Okay. So now if I go back here, what's going on over here? There is an issue with don't we have yes, we don't have a damage type. Right? Yes, we don't have damage type over here. What if we pass damage? Oh no, because we change power. Power is a little different from a damage, so it's a little damage type. Fuck it. Let's just move forward. It's never a good thing when you sit and think about it for far too long. So damage type, and it's automatically even added over here. Good. But I have a question. Where do we form it? On apply. Yeah. So we will say serialize fields, damage type DOT, damage type. Boom. Done. Okay. With this, we should be able to just start. Yes, we still have this issue. We'll say buff that damage type. See, it works. Ha! Fine. What next? So when we take damage, wait, why do I have to we have Hello Tech Dave. Hi. Don't worry about it. Welcome to the stream and good luck with whatever you're doing. If can I just do this? Wait, I'm really confused. Take damage. Why can't I just do this? Huh. Why? Why can't you just be normal? I am mighty confused. But whatever. If it works, I guess. Get transform, get character, take buff, get status, take heal, take damage. Why? Why can't it just be... Let's just try to do this. And quick implement... Why? I am... Public... Oh. Okay. Whatever. So... When we take the damage, we want to apply the character stats to the damage in some way. So for example, take damage, we will say take damage minus equal, and we will say character get that stats block, get value stats armor. But why are you use natural false? But get defense value. We will say integer defense value. We will say the type of the damage, so damage dot damage type. And then we will subtract this defense value over here. Bam. So now we will say if damage type that equals to oh, actually we can use switch over here. Switch. Actually, no, it will be much easier if we will say damage type equal to damage type physical. In this case, we will use defense integer defense value equals 0. Will be character stats block dot get value stats dot armor and use natural false. Actually, let's go over here and specifically say that use natural is by default false. So we don't use natural by default. Okay, this will grab the defense value to be physical defense. If we can even say return defense value over here. If damage type not equals damage type almighty. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of this if, you know. Switch damage type. Return defense value equals 0. If you get hit by almighty, nothing stops stopping it. Physical, boom. Over here, defense value will be equal to resistance. Okay. And I think this will go into utility because we will be using okay. Yes. Let me add something into strikes. Dodge. Evade. Accuracy. Okay. With this, we calculate defense value. We apply the it over here. If taken damage is less than 0, we say that taken damage is equal 0. Or it can be 1 if we so desire. Okay. And then So this gonna introduce an defense into equation. Yeah. And this is for enemies. Yes. Now we can say, oh, yes, if it's for enemies, we can extract this into... Anyway, quick stretch break. I need to go. Be right back. Hello, Dandy. I'm sorry when you shows up. I were on a small stretch break. Welcome to the stream. If you have any questions or anything, ask away, Dandy. I am full to talk. No. Get defense value. Hmm. Defense value is over here. Creation. Image. And figure representing character and text character. Really need this. That static image Good character. Good defense. Mm-hmm. Start to feel like this is not the perfect solution. What I'm trying to do. HP will especially funny. Why not just pass? Yeah, if I pass tower right now, that's pretty much okay. Okay, this is a little awkward. Need to think about it for a moment. Yes, we cannot separate them because in principle we just no, they do have a pretty big difference between each other. They will have a substantial differences. That a big. Can they both be like inheriting from each other? Okay, this is awkward. Of course, I can just send HP over here. Or I can just return integer. And it will be calculate damage. Right? Why are you complaining? Yes. And we will say return take like damage. Taken damage. And we do this stuff on the other side over here. Calculate damage. Integer taken equal. The problem is kinda select. Like technically speaking, we can have the merge enemy and tower. To avoid repel. Okay. Let's say it like this. Okay. I wonder. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Okay. How can I approach this? Mm-hmm. Hmm? Something like this. What in the happening? There's not that much difference between the like. I don't like that we repeat ourselves over here. I really don't. But I feel like it will be longer to rewrite it right now. Uh-uh. Should I just keep going with this? I guess yes. So where do we form the damage? Here. Apply. Calculate power. Calculate power. Ability. Huh. Should I in the caster, if I go over here and I will say calculate damage for ability. Should I just make like all calculation of critical strike and stuff like this over here? This is actually another question. Should it be formed here? Because it might not be a best idea to do it here. Okay. First of all, let's check is everything alright. Seems fine for me right now. Let's launch the game. Say we have a bunch of characters. Thousand. Wait, what if we do one character? This one. He shoot his gun. 1000. Yes, it definitely changes. Yes, it definitely works. I'm not sure how correct it is, but the calculations of defense is definitely applying. Okay. This is done. For the enemy, right? Why not? Wait. Why not pull this out of utility and actually put it inside a character? The problem with this is buffs are applied. The only reason why we might want something to do with buffs, if there is an exceptions. Yes, so why not say something like damage equals character calculate damage taken received damage, and then we will say damage. We go here, we say public we say this, we say that this part goes here. We don't need to wait. Okay. Wait. We do here. Calculate received damage, right? Enemy. Calculate receives damage. We pass damage over here, right? Get. Well, yes, correct. Because we will say integer defense value equals boom. We don't need staticness. We will just say this. We don't need character because we can just say stat block. Defense value. We will say get defense value. Damage type. Good. Now we will say damage dot power minus equals defense value. Can even say process received damage. process damage. And then we will just copy this part over here. And that's it, we're done. And now both tower and enemy are sharing the same process, and it's not weirdly in utility. So now we can just simply say character dot process damage. Done. Look at this. Much better. And it makes sense, and it actually can be extracted easily and used anywhere in any context. That should be done. Yeah, that just should be more than enough for this thing to work. Okay. Hello, Maksat Kartanbayev. It's going a little lonely, to be honest. Not a lot of people have showed up today. But, you know, a lot of progress has been done actually. Move damage calculation into the character script. Okay. Came from. Oh, yes. Work is rough. Work is rough. I'm gonna stream for a few more hours, I hope like 1.5 hours at least. And then we'll do a little of side working too and sleep. 1 second, please. Oh, anyway, back. Had to do something very quickly. Okay, so is this done? What can we do? What can we do now? We will definitely need to redo targeting, which is like an actual painful part right now. uh Take buffs. Okay, so how can we approach status effects? And actually, I still don't have dots over here, so maybe we should actually deal with dots. How does it work now? And how do you want it to work? Well, status effects doesn't. They just don't. Okay. So, if you apply status effect, your character should receive some kind of mark, pretty much. That hair, I mean, oh, targeting. Oh, it's a mess. it's just a mess. ability. Wait. Huh? Oh, here, abilities manager. This is how it works. You just. Uh, uh, it works like this. It's a mess. It's an absolute and utter mess. I actually think about maybe I should extract targeting out of ability manager and put it into a separate component which will be specifically responsible only for targeting and nothing else. Because in that case, I think there is actually a lot what can be done. It's just 300 lines of a mess. Oh my god. I definitely probably gonna extract it into a different component, because at this point this is like barely maintainable. It's very hard to maintain. So yes, I'm probably gonna just close it for now, and we will come back to it later in our career. Like, just, you know, if you don't see the monster, just pretend that it's not here, you know? Let's deal with this stuff. Good idea, just ignore it. Yep. Okay, I'm thinking right now how I'm gonna apply and process effects of status effects. Okay. Okay. Hmm. So, if I have a status effect, I want... I want to apply certain effects on mhm. Okay. Hmm. No. Actually, no. We can. Okay. Poison. Stunned. Blind. Low. Fast. Так. So, when you get the status effect, mhm, overlapping buffs is another problem. Jesus, that's a lot of problems. Man. So, if I have a status effect, How can I process? How can I deal with overlapping buffs? I'm just trying to sit there and think about, like, just genuinely, I'm trying to envision it somehow. I can see how I can deal with overlapping buffs. Add buff. You scan through the buff list. But how will I deal with status effects? Like, I have a buff, which is like, for example, status effect of a stun. Man. I am really right now not sure how to approach it. I'm just sitting there and staring at the screen. Man, I'm rambling. I'm so sorry about it. Don't move, don't attack. Character miss 90% of their ranged. Low. Yes, update stun time, but like the problem is not that have to maintain them in the sense of, oh, after like 5 to 10 seconds you are not stunned anymore. That's the easy part, okay? The problem part is like have to tell to everything else, like, hey, you know, you are stunned, you cannot move. Hey, by the way, you're trying to attack. You're blind. You can't hit anything. You're slowed. You move slower. Oh. I'm starting to get frustrated again. Every time when I get stuck on something, I get frustrated. You know the feel, right? It's like... It's cool with everything else. Like, oh, you apply some kind of debuff to your character. It deals less damage. Whatever. That's an easy part. The hard part is status effects. Technically speaking, okay, let's look into like our tower. Okay. Ability manager. We take damage over here. Yeah, technically speaking, our ability manager supposed to know about. Okay, so let's go into ability manager. Oh my god, I that's a big mistake to go into ability manager. Yeah, this is a terrible mistake to go into ability manager. It's all the road goes to the ability manager. It's like our main weak point in our entire thing, I think. Apply ability. Target enemies. Oh, I see what. Holy moly. Apply ability effect. Here. It's going to apply ability. Ability container. Sure. Good. Here. Apply. Uh-huh. Spaghetti manager. oh, that's a low, bro. Ouch. I'm joking, of course. I agree. Ability manager is terrible. It's definitely a mistake. It will have to be redone. So over here I apply. Don't worry. I didn't take it as personal. I get it. I accept full responsibility of how terrible ability manager turned out. So there's another problem I see. I don't think we need this. Actually, no, we need this region. On apply, we apply bunch of effects, right? Enemy. So this ability manager. Had same problem for week with Refactor Tool project. What was your refactoring issue? What you had to redo? So, what was the issue? Why you had to refactor your project? Apply ability effect. Some parts which... Ooh. Yeah, someone else code is... Yes. Is a mess. It's always hard to go through. Like, it's often hard to go through your own code sometimes. It's even worse for when you're trying to work with someone else's code. Okay. I'm looking at this ability manager, and the more I look at it, the more I'm like, maybe I should just give up about the status effects and just sit and rewrite the whole thing. Because it's like, it's inevitable. Pretty much, like, no matter how much you try, the solid and the grasp get you so far, you know? You still have to read it, you still have to figure it out. It's inevitable. So okay, how about this? Instead of trying to think about status effect, let's try to think where I will place an ability to miss the target. You shoot your ability and you have like a 90% chance to hit it, right? So where will be an accuracy calculation happen? That's another good one. Oh my god, this ability manager, kill me please. This is... Ow. Oh... How about we... Calculate damage. Actually, it can be calculated over here. Yeah, based on ability and all other calculations, we can calculate and place all the necessary information for accuracy over here. And then this container will be moved into the target and target will process this container. Okay. Right? That's how it will work. Right? Haha. So if calculate damage for ability. But then still same question applies. How do we pass and status effect? I'm not gonna just send them over here, right? Kind of mistake that character is a scriptable object in a sense. It's if I activate defeated. Off stat clear. Clear. Wait. Not just do this. Because I need to do this. Form. Paths. Remove. Remove path. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, this. Added steering buffs. Okay, remove buff. Yeah, you know guys, it's not going anywhere. Let's take a break for tonight. Tomorrow I will stream more. We will progress more. We did decent progress tonight, so tomorrow there will be even more progress. And I will have some time to just sit there and think how I can approach the status effects. Or maybe we will just rewrite the ability manager tomorrow. Sitting there and just staring at the screen not gonna do anything for us. So anyway, thank you very much for showing up for tonight. Today we did decent amount of time for streaming. Anyway, see you tomorrow everyone. Good night. Bye.